we fear that AI might replace our jobs, right? But amidst all of that, what would differentiate you, right? There can be some skills that would differentiate you and give you edge over the others. So one thing would be, be strategic in your design thinking, right? It's not about having in-depth meetings about, what should we design, what problem should we solve, right? It's about choosing what to do and what not to do, right? And sort of being aware of the risks in the ecosystem. Okay.
In design field, design itself is called as problem solving field, right? So find out the problems in your area, find out your problems in your discipline. Maybe you can bridge them and you can come up with something new.
Also making sure you're not applying for any and every role. I think Sayani mentioned earlier to find your niche, find the industries where you have greater interest, right? So that people can connect with your passion, your interest.